this is my bag. Show you how I have it set up here. I mean, you got your normal tape measure on the side, knife, all that good stuff on the outside. I like to keep my drill on the side in its holster for easy access. My hammer on the side because they conveniently put these little loops on the side that fit a hammer perfectly, even though they're lifting spots. Inside the bag, I usually keep my tool pouch up on the top. So it fits, tucks up in here nice and easily. You know, keep everything in here as neat as I can. I mean, this thing holds a lot, so I try to pack it in here as well as I can, which is fairly easy, to be honest with you. You know, regular screwdrivers, taps, pliers, snips, crimps, cutters, as many wrenches as I can get. And then on the back side, try to keep all my more fragile things. Meter, drill bits aren't really, but they fit in there nice. And all my low voltage tools, which, you know, toner, tracer, all that fun stuff. So yeah, this is how I set mine up.